Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. I am your host, Chef Ray, DJ Money, whatever you want to call me. But today we are doing breakfast tacos, chicken, sausage, huevos, peppers, onions, all that good stuff. So I got the grill set preheated to about, it's on hell right now. It's hotter than hell. It's hot. It's hot enough to cook this chicken and sausage and all these good things we got going on today. So let's get started, good people. I'm gonna close this and bring y'all over here to my protein. We got huevos, chicken, sausage. Today we chose a brothworth links to go with this breakfast taco because we like brothworths. Simple as that. Use the sausage you like. This is what we like, and let's get started. Our weapon of choice today, you know, we got the magic dust here, and we're gonna get this chicken and sausage seasoned up. So we went with chicken thighs today, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're gonna take these thighs, spread them out here. We would do a little trimming, but everybody knows fat equals flavor, right? So if I get all these out, yeah, just like that. So we'll start out with a little pre-rub. That's basically garlic salt. Garlic salt. We're gonna season these up on that side. SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. And then, since they are being smoked, we're gonna hit it with a little of our magic dust for the barbecue flavor. Not too heavy on the chicken, just enough so it can get the flavor. And only one side on the garlic salt. With, you guessed it, magic dust. And that'll do it for its flavor. Everybody know these got a lot of flavor inside, but we will be grilling them up, and we want to add just a little more of the barbecue flavor, so it's okay to hit them with the magic dust. All right, that's that, and it's that simple. Chicken, sausage, huevos coming up. Huevos. A bowl. Everybody, whisk, a bowl, a whisk, a bowl. Recognize those? Yeah? Okay. Whisk a bowl. We're outdoors, so if you see a fly, shoo it. Knock it off my food. I'll be right back. One huevos. Two huevos. Uno, dos, tres. Cuatro. Alright guys, if you don't notice, I think I'm a black Mexican. I call myself a Blaxican. Love my black people. I just love Mexico. Me and my wife always traveling to Mexico for a special event to give us a reason to go down there and speak our second language and act like we know what the fuck we're doing, but really we just living, you know, todo loco. Alright, so on your eggs. I don't know if you heard this before, but you don't want to salt your eggs before cooking. Changes the texture. So we're going to hit it with some freshly cracked black pepper and give it a whisk. Done. Scrambled eggs. Simple as that. So set those off to the side and we wait. So we got the chicken and sausage seasoned. Let's go ahead and get it on. So we're going to sear our meat off, get all those juices and flavors locked in, and then we're going to move it indirect and let it finish cooking. So let's go ahead and do it. Normally I have my Pam spray, but today we're gonna use some olive oil because I don't have it out here with me. So we're gonna use olive oil to oil up the grill grates. Make sure none of this stuff get to sticking. And of course this is oil, so you're gonna have some flames, flare-ups. That's no problem. It's easy and simple. Just get the grill closed and that's gonna solve your flare. Let's start with the would-be skin side up. But we're not, you know, trying to get any crispy skin or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's just start with the meat side down, basically. And again, we hit this with SPG and some of our house barbecue rub magic dust. www.bigsmokeys, BIGSMOKEYS.BBQ.com. Get you some magic dust. Alright y'all, so look, we getting the chicken and sausage on. I know y'all saw the chicken touching the sausage and the sausage touching the chicken in, but all the heat gonna kill all that. It's gonna kill anything that you think that would mess up this great, delicious breakfast taco. All right, so this handle here, what it does is if you come in here, you can see we have a small flame in the back. I don't know if you can see it, or you might can, you might can't. But
oh, butterfly, hello butterfly. How are you? Ooh, there's a couple.
Well, anyways, I get distracted easy. Hey, we back to this. As I was saying, you can adjust this. You can lower, up. That's down. That's not up. Up, down, up, down. Burn, not burn. Burn, not burn. We do not want to burn this, people. We just want to get a quick sear. So I'm going to adjust this all the way down. And I'm going to close this. We're going to go for about a minute and a half on each side. While that's going, let's go ahead and get some veggies chopped. We got these veggies, and we want to get a red onion for garnish. And of course, with these raw, I don't want like a gigantic ass piece of raw onion. Even though it's tasty, it's delicious, I still don't like it to be big. I don't like nothing big in my food. And who's eating this today? I am. So, same scenario, slice, and dice. But on this dice, you want to cut it real fine. Just like that. These are for garnish. Top of the tacos. Yeah, I think that's enough. So this is a mince rather. More than rather a chop is going to be a mince. Mince onion. Dice, minced. Alright. Let's check on our chicken. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Let's see if we got a good sear. Yeah, you see I flipped that? Oh my God. Wow. It's not sticking. It's got this brown mahogany, beautiful color. Wow, good stuff. And chicken thighs, don't let them think they're drying out or anything like that. This is the thigh meat. It's the dark meat, so it's gonna stay moist. So we're gonna get those flipped over this direct heat. Let's check on our sausage. Yeah, sausage is doing great. Let's get the sausage in. And 3, 2, 1. That shit is done. Now. We're cooking over natural wood, hickory. We're using hickory today, so it's getting that smoked flavor as we grill. This is not a, overnight smoke, low, big brisket grill. No, this is a quick smoke, grill your meat, sear the flavors, indirect, 3 minutes, let everything come up to temp. You want to bring this chicken up to about say 65, I'm gonna say 62. Wrap it in foil, let it rest, and then cook the rest of the way. Juicy chicken. Same as the sausage. That is getting hot. So we're gonna add a little of the olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Because we're gonna saute some veggies. We're gonna saute some veggies. We're gonna add a little bit of the onion, green bell pepper, and jalapeno. And we're going to saute this until it's, I say al dente. We're sauteing the onions, bell peppers, the jalapenos, and to that we are going to add we're going to add a little bit of the garlic salt, just to help it breaks down. So, garlic salt and black pepper. Simple as that. Alright. And I'm stirring with tongs because I left my spoon. We're going to bring this up to temp and get these veggies translucent. Let them do their thing. Let them get soft, tender. And then we'll add huevos. Yeah. Alrighty. Alright. Yeah, man, it's looking good. Come on in. So, as I say, we want to saute these veggies. Now they have become real translucent, delicious, scrumptious peppers and onions. Let's add some huevos. So, as you know, we did not add salt to the huevos, but we did add black pepper, freshly cracked black pepper. So let's add some eggs to this. Yeah, that's enough. And we got everything in there that's gonna keep these eggs so scrumptious and delicious and keep them moving. You don't want burnt eggs, you don't want sticky eggs, you don't want none of that. After we get these eggs done, I'll teach you how to build a delicioso taco. So we don't want our eggs overcooked, so what we do is, it's cooking a little bit faster than what I want it to be. What we'll do is take them out the heat. And at this point, we will go ahead and add a little salt to our eggs. Because the worst thing to me, one of the worst things in the world, is overcooked eggs. A little bit more heat. And like that, the eggs are done. Delicious, not overcooked eggs. So, alright, so we have the tortillas. We want to get a toast on them. We're going to spread a little bit of olive oil on these tortillas, just so they won't stick to the grill. Like that. And use your tools that God gave you. Don't waste your money on the, let's call it what it is. It's bullshit. The chicken's almost done. It's looking good. It's scrumptious. Let's go ahead and toast these up. They probably need, I want to say, maybe a minute or two on each side. Where's my tongue? Damn it. Oh, alright. Need these. I said use God tools. I said use God tools, don't be a fool. You grab this hot, it's gonna burn your ass. Alright, let those do its thing. Let's go ahead and pull them. The chicken, we're gonna let the chicken rest. Chicken and sausage. Oh, we're down there. Okay. Oh shit, it's hot. Okay. Use the tongs. Alright, so just like that. I'm gonna set these right here. Alright, that's that. Let's build some fucking tacos. Alright, so we rested the sausage and chicken. I'm gonna take that. Take a couple pieces of chicken. I wanna slice them just like this. Oh yeah. That looks good. Look at that. Smoke ring, a little smoke ring. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna call it a slice. Alright, so we have our diced sausage and a chicken. Let's lay out some toasted tortillas. We're gonna do a couple of these. Yeah. They toasted up nicely. And we're gonna go with, down first with a base of the huevos. If you like huevos, then add just as much as you want. Alright. That person, okay. Then we're gonna top that with 3 slices of the sausage. 2 is good. And some of the chicken. And we're gonna go with queso. And we're going with a Monterey Jack and cheddar. If you don't like queso, leave it off. It's that simple, people. Life is easy.
What about a light and fit option?
A light and fit? We'll go low fat. Low fat cheese. Bitch made cheese. Low fat cheese. Low fat everything. And as you can see, I just hit it with a little of the freshly cracked black pepper. Then we're gonna go with sazon. I'm just kidding, man. If you want to go light and fit, do everything low fat. It's pretty much, it's not a lot of fat in there. You can substitute any sauce if you're doing low sodium or anything like that. You know how to do it. Talk to your local health department. I mean your doctor. Alright, then we're going to top it with the raw onions. And that's it, people. That's all we have for today. Sausage, chicken, huevos, breakfast tacos, grilled to perfection. I am your host, DJ Money, Chef Ray, whatever you want to call me. Hell, today let's taste these and see what they taste like. Let's see. Look at that. Alright. Delicious shit, people. Make sure you subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, share on all those social media sites y'all be on, and ring the bell. We'll let you know the next time that we jamming and cooking. Peace and love.